Yes, we are at Niveo Professional stand, where we do customer install AV channel, audio video installations for customer install. As you can see, for example, the diagram of some of our products that we do, which is more backbone or backside of the AV channel. For example, we have here an access point, Niveo Professional N300. This access point does roaming as well as different networks simultaneously. Also has a sub network. Therefore, it's pretty advanced. Using at the hospitals, hospitality and utilities, hospitals, hotels, government, and any other institute or company basis. So residential can be also used as well. We have here, for example, another access point with router, which is wall mount, NWER 97 and 98. You have the UK, US, as well as the European version of it, which you can mount it inside the wall. As you can see, we do, if you look at the whole diagram, you can see the schematic of what we do with the security, IP telephony, AV channel, Wi-Fi, guest network, and primary network. If we go through here on some of our Niveo Professional products, you see here we do a desktop NAS, 5 bay. We have UPSs, but we also have 19-inch rack mount NAS, for example, here 4 bay, and you have here 8 bay. In between, you see some of our switches as well, Niveo Professional switches. It goes from 8-port gigabit to 48-port, managed or unmanaged, PoE or non-PoE, power over Ethernet. They all can control your devices, manage your devices. You can be connected to it and manage your devices with it. If you look at this diagram on this side, you see the panel with Niveo Professional switch to 12-port PoE, which is a lot of devices are connected to it. You can see a NAS system, for example, a control panel, an IP camera, or wireless accessories, or for example UPS, but also AV products like audio, receiver, Blu-ray, TV systems, media servers, also this value. All can be connected to the Niveo Professional product line. You can visit, of course, our website. I think it's probably give you a better idea, www.niveoprofessional.com, and you give you a more knowledge of what we exactly do through all the other devices and products.